Hello, Amazing All-Stars. Today is Wednesday, May 18th. Let's find out what is on our calendar for the day. Tad was on 44 with our last activity. And then Tad went down 2 and to the left 1. So when he goes down 2, he went down 10, 20, and then he went back 1, which means he subtracted 1. So let's look at our information. Tad was on 44. That was the last number we have, 44. Now we're going to do something with this. So Tad was on 44. We'll start there. 44. He went down. Let's look at it again. He went down 2 and to the left 1. So we went down 2, 44, and he goes down 10, 20. Ooh. So we are adding 20, which puts us at 64. And then he went back 1. Oh. So 64 minus 1 equals 63. 64 minus 1 equals 63. So that's where he's at today. We'll change that to a red, and we'll fill in this 63. $63 here. Very, very good. Make sure you've done that. Don't forget, this information is in your math book. Page 63 in your math book that has the blocks on the top and the person made of shapes. Do not forget that. Pause the video if you need to get that. Don't forget, you need to have this information. Now that you have that taken care of and you have filled in the number 63 on this chart, we have quite a few numbers filled in, which is great. Looks like you see some little eyes here. Can't figure out what the rest of it is yet. Find out what the entire shape is soon. Let's move on to add another day that we've been in school, which makes now 159 days. 159 days. 159 is what we write as a number. Then we take the time to write it as a number word, 159. We take 100 plus 50 plus 9. Then we have 50 plus 50 plus 50 plus 9 equals 159. When we go to our coins, we have 100 plus 50 plus another penny here would make 9. Ooh, that means we'll be at 160 days in school tomorrow. How interesting. Our last activity today is going to be a review. You don't need your book for this part, but you do need a hundreds chart, which I've put on the screen for you. You have your hundreds chart, and you have some math facts here, where you are going to be adding 10, subtracting 20, or even adding 30 to the first number that you see. Please use the chart on the screen to help you get to your answer. Write down what your answers are as well, because we're going to check our work together after we finish all of our independent work. I know you can do it, All Stars. I believe in you. Don't forget what we've talked about as we talk about using our number chart to help us add bigger numbers and subtract bigger numbers. You can do it. Off you go.